Milan FinTech Summit 2022. We are here together with Harjas SINGH, who is co-founder and CPO at shares.io. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you very much for having me. Appreciate that.
So, about the industry, the market within you are working as Shares.io, the social investments is one of the most interesting segment of fintech at global level. Why is so important in this moment also of economic crisis?
Yeah, so, if you look back, trading has been a very lonely experience. When you go into a trading product, traditionally, you have no idea what the community is doing. What are your friends buying and selling and why? And we actually saw this during the COVID-19 pandemic. There was an influx of retail investors. And we saw with GME and AMC that community powered investing was here to stay. So, what Shares does is it solves this problem by letting you invest with your friends and the wider community. We think that people form investing decisions by social signals, by understanding what the community is buying and why, especially now when times are tough. A lot of people don't understand what is inflation, how does it impact their money and their investments. Shares answers this by bringing the community right into the product.
So you bring the social networks in the fintech, and the connections are the key. But what is the real impact of technology adoption, like, for example, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, and other things like that, for the growing of the market?
Yeah, so machine learning is critical because we are a networked product, right? We have a strong network behind. So every person that joins, the value of the network grows. But also, machine learning helps answer what any person should see in the product, what connections they should make. Like any other social product, algorithms are the power, right? What you see is always defined by the machine learning algorithm. And in investing, it's no different. If you're a new investor, maybe you should see educational content first. Maybe you should meet people who are more experienced and can help you, as compared to an experienced investor who should then see trading growth stocks, which are, like, let's say, more risky. So machine learning is at the core of like our algorithm and decides what is actually shown to a retail investor when they enter into a network product.
It's really difficult also to make understand what is good and what is not good for an investor. What is the secret to make things easy?
So it starts with the experience, right? I think for long, trading products have been complex to understand. You go and the chart is difficult, and retail investors are newbie. They don't know even how to read a chart. And I think from Shares, what we answer is to keep things simple. The product experience is one of the simplest experiences that you will see in the investing space. And demographic wise, we are addressing most demographics that have been ignored. So 45% of our investors are women. And this has been addressed because our brand and our product resonates with people that most brokers ignore completely.
So one of the objectives is also to equalize also the gender gap in the investing market, we can say.
Yes, so our product is not just for the fintech bros, who are been in the fintech industry for a while, they know what's going on, but more for an average Joe. Anyone who has traditionally not found it easy to invest can invest with Shares, and they can bring their community. So we're leading a lot of partnerships with existing communities, female investors, investors that have demographically been not having the same chance to invest in other products.
So information, connection, socialize, equalize, and what could be the next trend to monitor in order to grow and to continue helping people and companies to look at the social investment market.
Yeah, so Shares is uniquely positioned at the intersection of Web2 exchanges, Web3 exchanges, and social products because we have to adapt how investors invest. We have to be culturally relevant as a social product to allow people to invest in whatever they want. A retail investor who is 22 might invest in an ETF, but equally want to mint an NFT. And we have to accommodate for all growing trends as compared to other brokers who are just solving the problem of investing in one kind of asset. We have to be relevant to all changing types of assets and investments.
So the metaverse will be the future.
I have no doubt. I think we're moving in that direction. There's a lot of naysayers, but I am a strong believer in technology, and I think that going forward, Web3 is going to become an important part of our lives.
Thank you for being with us.
Thank you very much.